What's going on, guys? Video Game Expert here, and in today's video we're going to replace a battery that won't charge in a PlayStation 4 controller. As always, all tools used will be linked in the video's description. Today we're going to need a screwdriver with a small Phillips head bit, some needle nose pliers, as well as the battery replacement we're going to be using. We'll get this repair started by grabbing our screwdriver, throwing in our Phillips head bit, and removing the 4 Phillips head screws from the back of the controller. There are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now there are 2 different models of the PlayStation 4 controller, and this is the original model, which has a slightly larger battery than the newer model. Once all 4 screws have been removed, we're going to go ahead and flip the controller over so we can see the underside right here. There are 2 small plastic clips holding the controller together right here. So in order to take the controller apart, I'm going to grip right here with my thumb and then over here on this black portion and pull the controller apart. You'll see that it starts to come apart, and I'll do the exact same thing to the other side. Once I have the portion of the controller grip separated, I like to go ahead and push down where those plastic tabs are and then pull the controller apart. If you're having trouble separating the 2 plastic pieces, you can just put in a flat head bit and pry that little portion open while you pull apart. With that portion of the plastic separated, we'll turn the controller over and focus on the top. There's a small plastic piece in between each R1 and R2, and in order to remove that, we're going to kind of just pull it up towards you and slide it out on each side. Make sure not to pull those 2 plastic pieces too far apart because the controller is still connected by 1 small ribbon cable. You'll just want to grab right here and pull straight out, and the ribbon cable should come straight out. Now, if when you hook your controller up and it doesn't show the controller charging at all, it's more than likely something wrong with this or that ribbon cable, and I'll do a separate video to show you how to fix that. This right here is the battery we're going to be replacing, so we'll just set that controller down and grab our needle nose pliers. All we're going to want to do is grab where this socket is. We'll just grip it gently on each side with the needle nose pliers. Wiggle it back and forth while pulling it up towards you, and it should come right out. It is important to note that you want to grip the top portion of that white plug. Don't grab the base or you're going to rip the entire thing out. If that plastic battery housing has come out of alignment, we can just pop that right back into place. Then all we'll need to do is grab our new replacement battery and work in reverse order. It is important to note that we are working on the original PlayStation 4 controller. This has a slightly larger battery and a different plug, so it is important to know which battery you need before ordering it for your PlayStation controller. From here, we just want to line up that plug and make sure that the holes are in the right area, and then we'll just push it straight down. We'll feed the wires right around the tooth here, and then slide the battery right into place. With the new battery properly installed, we're going to go ahead and grab the back casing to our controller, and our first step is going to be to replace that ribbon cable right back to where it came from. Once you have that ribbon cable aligned, it should just push straight in and give it a little tug to make sure that everything feels secure. Next, we're going to align those plastic strips right between the R1 and R2 on the controller on each side. This next part can get a little tricky, so just take your time, be patient, and be gentle. All you want to do is make sure that those grips come over those red tabs. Once you have them over them, all you have to do is push the 2 controller casings together and everything should clip right into place. With the controller casing reassembled, let's just go ahead and give all our buttons a good press and make sure everything feels as it should. And if it does, we can go ahead and reinstall those 4 Phillips head screws. If you enjoyed the video or it helped you out in any way, don't forget to drop a like. If you'd like to, comment any tips and tricks you have of your own down below because I'd love to hear from you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel as it helps it grow. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss when a new video comes out. As always, guys, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.